Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Plus is expected to have a 4500 mAh battery, but what about the slightly smaller Note 20? As early as April, the news came from the industry that it will be equipped with a 4000 mAh battery, but now it seems the Samsung has managed to put in more power in the Note 20 battery. Recently, the domestic 3C certification database shows that the battery model used in the National Bank version of Note 20 is EBBN98DAI. It is worth mentioning that its battery capacity is 4300 mAh. This is undoubtedly an unexpected surprise, and it also means that the smaller Note 20 battery will not be too far away from the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Plus battery, considering that the former screen is expected to be 6.7 inches, while the latter screen is 6.9 inches. This is not there is a large amount of dimensional change, so it is not surprising that the battery change is also small. Both phones will be available around August, equipped with 120Hz Super AMOLED Infinity O screen, S Pen stylus, 16GB RAM, an Exynos 992 or Snapdragon 865 chipset, depending on the market version. In addition, the Galaxy Note 20 series is expected to support at least 25W of wired charging, as well as wireless charging and reverse wireless charging.